Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Batten and I'm here to give you some information about what your students will be covering this week in phonics. Let's begin with our goals. For this week, students will be identifying the difference between a vowel and a consonant suffix, and then using the 1 + 1 + 1 doubling rule to correctly spell words with suffixes. First, let's review. A suffix is a letter or letters at the end of a word that changes the meaning. Vowel suffixes begin with a vowel, such as ing, er, ed, or est. Consonant suffixes begin with a consonant like s, ly, or ful. We use es when a base word ends with the following letters: ch or tch, sh, x, s or double s, z or double z. When a base word ends with a consonant followed by a y, we have to change the y to an I before we add es, ed, er, or est. Two new suffixes that students will see are ing, which when added to the end of a word means happening now, or ly, which means in a way that is. So you can see by the picture, the person is saying nice to meet you because they are being friendly. A reading rule that students can use is called the suffix chop. So when you find a word and it has a suffix, you chop the suffix away from the base word. If it's a consonant suffix, you're done. You just read the word as it is. But if it's a vowel suffix, you have to count the number of consonants between the vowel in the base word and the vowel in the suffix. So if there are two or more consonants between the vowels, the vowel in the base word makes its short vowel sound. Let's take the word on the screen. If we chop away the ed, we are left with an O and two consonants in between the O and the E, which means the O would make a short sound for blot, and the word would be blotted. For this word, when we chop away the suffix ing, it is a vowel suffix. So we count the number of consonants between the A and the I. The A has two consonants in between the A and the I in the suffix, so the word would be chatting because the vowel would be short. The two examples given were words that followed this rule, that sometimes when we add suffixes to a base word, the spelling of the base word changes. Like in the word tapping, we've added the suffix ing onto the word tap, but tap isn't spelled with two P's. So we've had to change the spelling of the base word in order for the A to continue to say its short sound. This spelling rule is called the 1 + 1 + 1 doubling rule. So when we add a vowel suffix to a one-syllable word with one short vowel and one final consonant, we have to double the consonant before adding the suffix. This week, your students will be covering this skill using the following worksheet, where they will have a suffix that is either a vowel or a consonant suffix. They'll be giving a base word, and then they have to decide how many syllables, how many vowels, and how many consonants after the vowel. Then they'll decide, do we double that consonant or do we just add the suffix? And then they write the final spelling. That's all for this video for today. Please look for more information to come in the following weeks about the skills that your students will be covering during phonics. Thanks.